In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Brother DCP-T720DW. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and connect this particular Brother printer model to a wireless network, so you can issue commands wirelessly. So to do this, you will use the Wi-Fi button on the printer itself. So first of all, choose Wi-Fi. This should bring up the Find Network prompt. So you will begin searching for a network that you will connect the printer to. So from this point onwards, use the arrow keys and OK to navigate through all of the options. Usually, when you see Find Network, you press OK, and then you will have to select the SSID after it finds it. So now you can go up and down to find a specific one. You will see all of the networks nearby, and once you have the specific network that you want to connect into on the middle of the screen there, choose OK. By selecting it, the next step is going to be the network key, aka the password. So now you will use the up and down arrow keys once again to type out the password. So it is going to cycle through all of the letters. So when you press up, it is going to go through A, B, C, D, and so on. Every time that you see a letter that you want to select, you choose OK, and you keep going until all of the password is written on the screen. After all of that is done, choose OK once more to confirm. So this is how it looks like when you are typing the password. So you go, for example, A, B, C, D, E, and so on. And once you have your full password, you choose OK. You will see this message connecting WLAN, and finally, it is going to be connected. Now, with all of that said, before I end the video, I want to make something clear, guys. When I was looking at the channel metrics the other day, I noticed that 83% of you are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you will be able to help us bring you the best solutions to your problem, just like with this video. So consider subscribing. I highly count on your help. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.